In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently and create new one. So what you want to do is go to linkedin.com and then up here on your profile image and then into settings and privacy. Now once you're in here, you have to click on account preferences and then scroll down to the very bottom of the page where it says close account. Now you click on this, and once it loads, you click on this blue button over here that says continue. You then have to state a reason of why you want to delete your account. I'm gonna click on I'm getting too many emails, for example. Then click on next, and then you have to type in your password that you want to close the account off. Now I've typed it in already since it's autofilled for me. I'm using Chrome autofill. And then you click on unsubscribe me from LinkedIn email communications if you want them to stop sending you emails. I'm going to do this. And then you simply click on done. And then your account has been closed and you can go ahead and create a new one. So the easiest way to do this is simply by clicking up here on this LinkedIn icon. And then up here, going back to join now, and then type it in your email again, and then another password, and that's how you create a new LinkedIn account, and you've done it. Good job.